have a large 30 by 40 canvas. I also have a jar of water, a lard paddle flat brush, a normal regular long flat brush, and a tiny round brush. I'm going to be using titanium white, mid yellow, yellow green light, orange yellow, light pink, purple lake, and pale blue. I'm going to basically work on a slightly wet canvas just so that we have more time to play with our colors. So I'm just going to sprinkle a couple of drops of water and then move that and spread it all around my canvas. You can use a spray brush or anything else to put the water across the canvas. I just find nothing works quite as fast as your hands. We're going to be creating these abstract wave patterns. So I'm just going to create this, almost this divide on my canvas, just so that I know where I want my lighter colors to be and where I want my other colors to go. So on this side, I'm going to do mainly titanium white and some pale blue. Just like so. And then I'm going to, on this side, start working with the colors that I have. So first I'm going to go in with some mid yellow, then some yellow pale, and then I'm going to go in with some orange, it doesn't have to come out perfect, it just needs to just get some water and flick it onto your canvas just so that you keep, and then towards the end here I'm going to go in with some purple, add a touch of green here just to bring the colors together. And then what I'm going to do is now grab my white and I'm going to go in between all of those colors. Right, so this is like our cushion filler color. So we are just really going to make sure that the colors are going to be going towards with white, so we end up with this very light colors in our brushes. So I have a cloth here that I'm going to be able to dry my brush on. So starting off, I'm going to begin with the white and blue. So I'm going to just go down and then come back down again, like so. Then we've got this kind of really beautiful wave that we've done. Any left over, you're just going to remove it using the cloth. And now doing the same thing, we're going to start off with the green and the yellow. And then again, removing any excess on the cloth. We're going to just go up. I'm going to come back down and you can kind of create little pieces of little pockets as well, just so that not everything is so simple in its movement. And I'm going to go in with some white here, just so that we can go in, before I go in with the dark purple, because right now what we've got is all of these. There we go. Just so we've got this really nice kind of movement. And then for the purple, we're going to go kind of up we're going to go up and down. Just to create this contrast of movement, so it's not all one color. So if you feel like you want to add a bit more yellow, you can now do that. So I'm going to grab some of this yellow here, just a dot, and some titanium white as well. And you can go back in. So I'm going to pick up the brush. Just like so. I'm going to go in with a little bit more white, just to brighten up this area. I'm now going to grab my round brush, and I have some titanium white here on my palette, and we're going to now go in and create all of these dot details. I'm going to start from here, and this is going to be quite a time consuming process. Well, what I want to do is create a movement of these colors that goes across the painting. We don't want them to be perfect. I didn't want to do sprinkle with my brush because then for that it's going to be too fine. So we do need to do these by hand. So I'm just creating where I want the movement to go and how far I want it to cross. So it's going to kind of come over here and then make its way up. So, and then you can come back down, and now we can go in and add all of these tiny white dots. These can be stars, these can be whatever the imagination wants them to be. We're gonna sometimes do less and sometimes do more, just so we get a nice variety. Sometimes do them bigger, sometimes do them smaller. This part of the painting is just very therapeutic. Okay, right. So we are just gonna branch out a bit, make it a little bit bigger, and we might do some sprinkles towards the end just to add some fine kind of dots and sprinkles to the painting. So just continue repeating this until all the way through. Sometimes I'm going a little bit far out just to not make it so tidy and neat. Okay. Okay, so now we have this kind of really nice sprinkle. We're going to take our long flat brush and we're going to dip it in some water. And then grabbing that titanium white again, we're going to just create a kind of more fluid mix of it, just so we can get those fine sprinkles. I'm just going to follow the pattern . And that's the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's relaxing and easy tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.